Hello friends, in this video we will talk about two variable data table. In the previous video you have seen what is data table and what is one variable data table and how we can create one variable data table in Excel. This video will focusing on two-way data table. So two-way data table meaning is that we can change two inputs and we want to see its impact on the formula. So let's take the example. Here again, I'm back with the retirement fund problem where we are having monthly payment, end of the period 200 rupees, years are 20 and returns per annum is 4%. So we want to get the future fund amount FB. So in Excel, FB is a future value. This is a function which is requiring some parameters, some arguments, that is rate, NPR, PMT. These three are the compulsorily arguments which you need to pass. PV and type are optional. So rate is interest rate per period. NPR is total number of payment periods. PMT is payment made at each period. If we are paying it, it will be in the minus sign or it will be with the minus sign. PV is the optional, which is the present value, and by default it is 0 taken by Excel if we are not providing anything. Type is again optional. It is payment timing. So by default Excel takes it as 0, and if we are providing it as 1, that means it is indicating that the payment is made at the beginning of the period. So friends, let's calculate the future value here for the retirement fund. Putting equal sign, using the FV function, opening bracket, and then you need to provide the rate, which is 4%. It is per annum. We can divide it by 12 to convert it into the monthly returns. Then the NPR. And in 1 year, there is 12 months. So in 20 years, it is 20 multiplied by 12, comma, the monthly payment. So you can see it is 200. We are paying it. So firstly, we are putting the minus sign. Then we can select it. We can close it and can press enter. So this is the future value of the retirement fund. Now, if suppose we want to see that if we want to make changes in the various periods and also in the return percent, so we want to see the impact. What will be the changes coming in the retirement fund? In the row, we have taken the years and in the column, we have taken the returns per annum. Now, firstly, here we will copy the same formula because once we will select this particular area, so here we will give the reference of this formula to calculate retirement fund. Now we will go to the data tab and from the Whatif analysis, we will select data table. Here we need to provide two inputs, one for row, one for column. So in the row input cell, as you can see, we have taken years in row. We will provide the reference of this year, that is 20. In the column, we will give the reference of return per annum, which is 4%. And then we can press OK to generate the various retirement fund. Here we can cross check for 4% in 20 years. The retirement fund is 73,354.9, which we have found here. So friends, this way we can use two variable data table. I hope this video will help you to understand how we can use or how we can create two variable data table. Thank you friends for watching this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.